A matter of life and death. Our daily choices determine our future.
Once upon a time, there lived a very wise philosopher. There seemed to be no problem that he couldn't solve. But there was one person who didn't believe that he was so wise, and he decided to test this philosopher. So one day, he brought a bird in his hand, and he thought he would test the philosopher with one simple question to find out if he was really so wise. He asked the philosopher,
I have a bird in my hand. You are a very wise man. Tell me if this bird is alive or dead.
And he thought,
If the philosopher says he's alive, I'll crush the bird to death. If the philosopher says he's dead, I will open my hand and let the bird fly away.
The philosopher looked very intently at the man and said,
Whatever you want the bird to be, he will be.
Heaven gives each of us the freedom to choose the way we want to live. Some of our choices are beneficial to us, others are mistakes, but we alone are responsible for all our choices.